How to apply stereo imaging for wide sound in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Next, go to the audio editing tools section and select Effects. Import the audio file you want to enhance. From the list of effects, scroll down and select Stereo Widening. You will see 3 adjustable sliders: Delay, Feedback and Crossfeed. These settings allow you to control the width, depth and spatial feel of your audio. Preview the audio as you adjust the sliders to ensure it sounds wide and balanced. Once you are satisfied with the stereo imaging, tap OK and then save to export your audio with the enhanced wide sound. Using stereo widening in AudioLab helps make your track sound fuller, more immersive and professional, perfect for vocals, instrument or full mixes. Now you know how to apply stereo imaging for wide sound in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.